What will the digital factory of the future look like? How different will it be? The digital factory of the future isn't some distant dream. It's your factory today, but more intelligent, more efficient, more flexible. Introducing TrakSYS, a modular manufacturing execution system that gives you the power to perform, to guide your business forward while preserving the best of what has made you successful. At its heart, TrakSYS is an information management system that bridges the gap between planning and execution and integrates with your existing systems and infrastructure to create a comprehensive manufacturing operations management solution. Get real-time, actionable intelligence for significant productivity improvement, all delivered in a unified web-based environment accessible from any device, anytime you need it. Manage your quality with precision, SOPs, tasks, traceability, audit trail, and analysis. Measure material consumption and energy usage in real time. See the impact of personnel by role, asset, product, and schedule to better manage your workforce. In addition to powerful out-of-the-box functionality, TrakSYS offers easy-to-use tools for configuring and extending its capabilities to effectively meet your challenges today and tomorrow. What does the factory of the future look like? It looks like your factory, running TrakSYS. TrakSYS, enabling your digital transformation.